When to change your transmission. Fluid. A complete guide. Is your car shifting smoothly, or are you experiencing jerky movements and strange noises? The key to a healthy transmission often lies in a simple yet crucial maintenance task: changing your transmission fluid. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this vital process. Transmission fluid, often referred to as ATF, is the lifeblood of your vehicle's transmission. It's not just a lubricant, it's a multitasker that keeps your gears running smoothly. Think of it as the oil that keeps your engine alive, but for your transmission. ATF performs several critical functions. It lubricates the intricate moving parts within the transmission, reducing friction and wear. It also acts as a coolant, dissipating heat generated during operation. Finally, it ensures smooth and precise gear changes, providing a comfortable driving experience. Neglecting regular transmission fluid changes can have dire consequences. Over time, the fluid degrades, losing its lubricating and cooling properties. This can lead to increased friction, overheating, and ultimately costly transmission repairs, or even a complete failure. There's no magic number when it comes to transmission fluid change intervals. The ideal time to change your fluid depends on a variety of factors. It's not a one-size-fits-all answer, so understanding these factors is crucial. Several key elements influence how often you should change your transmission fluid. These include your vehicle's make and model, your individual driving habits, and the type of transmission your car has. Each of these plays a significant role in determining the optimal change interval. Your vehicle's owner's manual is your most reliable source of information. It's like a personalized guide specifically tailored to your car. It contains valuable insights into recommended maintenance schedules. The owner's manual provides the manufacturer's recommended service schedule for your specific vehicle. This schedule is carefully crafted based on extensive testing and engineering considerations. Following this schedule is the best way to ensure the longevity and reliability of your transmission. The recommended service schedule in your owner's manual is tailored to your specific vehicle's make, model, and transmission type. It takes into account the unique characteristics of your car and provides the most accurate guidance for fluid change intervals. While the owner's manual is the ultimate authority, here are some general guidelines. These can help you get a sense of when you might need a transmission fluid change. Keep in mind that these are just general recommendations. For conventional automatic transmissions, a fluid change is typically recommended every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. This is a good starting point for most older vehicles with traditional automatic transmissions. However, always refer to your owner's manual for the most accurate information. Newer, more advanced transmissions may have extended fluid change intervals. Some manufacturers even claim their fluid is lifetime fluid. However, it's still wise to monitor the fluid condition regularly, even with these extended intervals. Some manufacturers recommend transmission fluid changes as far out as 100,000 miles, or even suggest the fluid is designed to last the lifetime of the vehicle. While this may be true, under ideal conditions, it's always a good idea to err on the side of caution. Regular inspections and fluid condition checks are still recommended. Even with extended intervals, monitoring the fluid condition is crucial. Regularly checking the fluid's color, smell, and level can help you identify potential problems early on. This proactive approach can save you from costly repairs down the road. Your driving habits have a significant impact on the lifespan of your transmission fluid. Aggressive driving and demanding conditions can accelerate fluid degradation. Understanding how your driving style affects your fluid is essential. Frequent heavy towing puts extra stress on the transmission. This increased stress causes the fluid to work harder and break down faster. If you regularly tow heavy loads, you'll need to change your transmission fluid more frequently. Stop-and-go traffic also necessitates more frequent fluid changes. Constant acceleration and deceleration generate more heat within the transmission. This heat accelerates fluid degradation, requiring more frequent changes. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can also shorten the lifespan of your transmission fluid. High temperatures cause the fluid to thin out and lose its lubricating properties. Cold temperatures can thicken the fluid, making it harder for the transmission to operate efficiently. These demanding conditions put extra stress on the transmission and its fluid. This stress causes the fluid to break down faster, reducing its ability to protect the transmission's internal components. Therefore, more frequent fluid changes are necessary to maintain optimal performance. Pay attention to any warning signs that may indicate a need for a transmission fluid change. These signs can be subtle at first, but they can quickly escalate into more serious problems if ignored. Early detection is key to preventing costly repairs. Difficulty shifting gears is a common sign of degraded transmission fluid. This can manifest as hesitation when shifting, slipping out of gear, or clunking sounds during gear changes. If you experience any of these issues, it's time to check your fluid. Unusual noises coming from the transmission can also indicate a problem. These noises may include whining, humming, or grinding sounds. These sounds often indicate that the internal components of the transmission are not being properly lubricated. Fluid leaks are another clear sign of a potential problem. Look for reddish-brown fluid under your car, especially near the transmission. Transmission fluid leaks can lead to low fluid levels, which can cause serious damage to the transmission. The appearance and smell of the fluid itself can also provide valuable clues. Dark or murky fluid, or fluid with a burnt smell, indicates that it's time for a change. Ideal transmission fluid is a clear red color. Ignoring the warning signs of degraded transmission fluid can have serious consequences. It can lead to significant damage to your transmission. This can result in costly repairs or even the need for a complete transmission replacement. Serious transmission damage can occur if you continue to drive with degraded fluid. This damage can include worn gears, damaged clutches, and a failing torque converter. These issues can quickly escalate into a complete transmission failure. The potential need for a complete transmission rebuild or replacement is a significant financial burden. A transmission rebuild can cost thousands of dollars, while a replacement can be even more expensive. Regular fluid changes are a much more cost-effective way to maintain your vehicle. Regular transmission fluid changes are a proactive maintenance measure. They are a simple and effective way to protect your vehicle's transmission. By prioritizing this essential task, you can avoid costly repairs and ensure a smooth and reliable driving experience. Changing your transmission fluid regularly is a cost-effective way to protect your investment. The cost of a fluid change is minimal compared to the cost of a transmission rebuild or replacement. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Prioritizing this essential maintenance task ensures a smooth and reliable driving experience. A well-maintained transmission will shift smoothly and efficiently, providing a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Don't wait until it's too late. Don't wait until it's too late to change your transmission fluid. By being proactive and following the recommended maintenance schedule, you can keep your transmission running smoothly for years to come. Schedule your transmission fluid change today. Call to action. Now that you understand the importance of transmission fluid changes, take action. Check your owner's manual for the recommended service interval for your vehicle. If you're unsure, consult with a trusted mechanic. Schedule a transmission fluid change today to protect your investment and ensure a smooth, reliable driving experience. Don't wait until it's too late. Your transmission will thank you. Like this video if you found it helpful, Subscribe for more car maintenance tips and share it with your fellow car owners.